Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Erroju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is you have to chase the things that ignite you, because you have to prove yourself, not for others, for yourself. You should heal your problems and you should heal yourself and move forward to your life, because this is your life. Take a time and think about your life and think about yourself and have a plans and have a thoughts, and always be yourself and take care of yourself, and always make a distance from toxic people and negative people, and enjoy your life with each and every moment, content with your life always, and cheerful to your life. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel.